नमस्कार, मैं अशोक व्यास और आज ये एक विशेष कार्यक्रम लेकर आपकी सेवा में हम हाजिर हुए हैं, जिस कार्यक्रम में हमारे साथ हैं एक ऐसे शख्स जिन्होंने अंकों के अंदर छुपे हुए जादू को पहचान लिया और ये जो अंकों का जादू है वो किस तरह से हमारे लिए सहायक हो सकता है उसके बारे में उदारता से परिचय देने के लिए एंड इन सम वे ही इज हियर टू हेल्प अस realize our full potential with the help of numerology. I have the pleasure of welcoming numerologist and healer Jesse Kalsi ji. Namaskar.
Namaskar.
Jesse ji, now you are based in California, but we go back during those days when you were a part of Indian Army.
That's right. That's right. Yeah.
So, someone who is leading a battalion as captain, how come he changes the path of his life?
That's a great question, Ashokji. Actually, see what happened was I'll call it my calling, my karma, you know. And it was some experiences. Some were personal experiences. Some were connected to what I was doing at that time, and some, of course, were planetary. I'll say that. And because of that, my life just totally changed course. You know, totally weird. And then I got into a cycle where I had to struggle for many years, you know, to kind of rise up again. And in that path, I realized this gift that I had, which helped me and many people that I met as I moved forward.
So the mission or the aim of Jesse is to spread harmony and prosperity. And who can say no to prosperity? And of course, one should never say no to harmony. And in order to share his knowledge, he has also written this wonderful book called The Power of Home Numbers. तो आपका जो घर है उसका जो नंबर है उसका भी आपके साथ आपके एनर्जी लेवल के साथ कुछ संबंध होता है, इसके बारे में भी वो कुछ डिटेल में बातें बताते हैं. बट and I also encourage viewers to get in touch with him directly because this program is live और आप कॉल कर सकते हैं और उनसे बात भी कर सकते हैं. पर थोड़ी बहुत बातें अंकों के बारे में जानने की दृष्टि से tell me, a number is a number. I mean, how come it may have any impact on my life or my future, whether the home number is 15044 or 15099, how it will have any impact?
That's great. ऐसे है, देखिए अशोक जी के see, numbers are actually planets, you know, they are planets. So now basic numerology goes from number 1 to number 9, and then each number has a planet that is associated with it. Now, say, for example, number 1 represents the Sun, or number 3 is Jupiter, or number 6 is Venus, and number 9 is Mars. So this is the association. And then numbers are universal. You know, you see them everywhere. I mean, you look at your name has your name number has a vibration, your date of birth, a certain day you're born, cars, colors, gems. I mean, everything has a numerological code that is stuck to it. So that is why we decode letters, words, and alphabets into numbers, and then look at numbers by numbers.
The interesting thing is the world that